Assalamu alaikum. How to make 1024 into 500 pixel image. New option with 1024, height 500, select pixel. Create now. Example image, copy, then paste. Photoshop. Your own choice. My choice, stay in Photoshop. In the photo output, Control Shift S. Select PNG. Name any word. Location desktop. Save. Okay. In the image, image information, detail, dimension 1024 into 500 pixel, size 520 KB, properties size 520 KB. This image Play Store app feature used to ready. Thanks for watching in the channel and my video. Okay, see you more next video.